How to create a Kucoin account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to create a Kucoin account. So to create a Kucoin account, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go and download the application from your Play Store. So open up a Play Store. On the search box, type in Kucoin. When you locate the following application, click on the install button and wait for the application to be completely installed. So after you install the application, it's going to show you or take you to this field, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, you have to go ahead and tap on the sign up button from the top right hand side corner, and then to begin with the procedure, you have to register your email. So type in the email address that you wish to register and click on create account located right at the bottom, and go ahead and fill out this CAPTCHA as well. Now then, you just have to go and register your email. So for that case, a verification code is going to be sent. So in my case, I happen to receive it already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy that and type in right on this field. When you've done that, next page you have to go ahead and set a password. So make sure to go through the criteria mentioned below. You can see you'll be directed to the verification page. You have to go ahead and verify your identity. So click on get verified, and that's going to take you to the page where you need to go ahead and follow the information, such as you need to select the ID type. And when you've done that, click the next button. Now type in your first name, legal name, all that, and provide in the picture of your document and all that, and you should be able to create your Kucoin account. So that is how you can create your Kucoin account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.